How to breed axolotls in Minecraft. So first we simply find them right here. So you have some right here. So just simply get the lead and get one of them. So we need two to breed, of course, and the other one right here. But now once you have one, just go to an enclosed like structure right here so that we could just basically help them breed so that they won't go anywhere or something. But go to the enclosed structure just like this. And just simply remove the lead. And once that's done, you just simply need to get a bucket of tropical fish right here. And just simply right click on them. So we need two. So once you have two, you simply right click, then right click, and you simply wait for them to breed right here. So both of them should have it. So as you can see, they are now done breeding, and this is their offspring, the baby axolotl. And that's how you basically breed axolotls in Minecraft.